Hey guys, this is a new take on a salad. This is a cheeseburger salad I just made up. Yes, you heard me right, cheeseburger salad. It's a salad with all of your favorite cheeseburger toppings to help cut out bread and lower your carb intake, because I want to start lowering or eating less carbs. So if you'd like to see how I made this cheeseburger salad, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm just going to be using everything, like my favorite toppings that I get on a burger. So when I get a burger, I just like my burger with like lettuce, tomato, pickle, bacon, cheese, mustard, sometimes ketchup and mayonnaise also, but today I'm just going to do mustard. So yeah, so I have my bowl of lettuce. I chopped it up last night because we had taco salad. And then last night I cooked up some ground beef, and I just seasoned it with some steak seasoning. So I just heated that up. So in my salad, I just have my lettuce. So I have my ground beef. I just heated it up. I chopped up some red onion, some pickles. I just used these whole pickles, and I cut up one pickle and I left it kind of big because I love pickles. So I want to make sure that I can actually taste the bites of pickles. So I chopped up pickles. I chopped up some of these Flavor Bomb tomatoes that I like to get from Sam's. They taste like you just went outside and picked them off the vine. I have some bacon pieces. Then I have up here some cheddar cheese and some mustard. So yeah, so I'm going to take my lettuce. I've never had this before, but I think it's going to be amazing. I'm just going to put my cheese right on top of my ground beef so I can start to kind of get warm while I put my salad together. Okay, so there, lettuce. I don't know if I want all these pickles. We'll just do that many of the pickles. Tomato, I'll use all the tomatoes since I already have it chopped up. Tomato, put some red onion in there, raw red onion. I love onion on my burger. I just like to cut out some carbs. I want to be trying to cut out some carbs here and there. Not going like full keto or anything, just trying to cut out some carbs, and this is a great way to do it. But I think tomatoes might be high in carbs. Okay, so I have my lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. Next I will add in some bacon, which you could crisp up some bacon and then chop it up and put it in there. I'm just using these Meyer bacon pieces. Actually, I'll just squirt some mustard onto my meat mixture. I love mustard though. Okay, so there's my meat mixture. Where's my fork? Give it a little mix. You could always like put this in the microwave together to melt the cheese onto the burger, but that's okay because I want it more like a salad. Alright. Burger, cheese, and mustard. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have brought my tripod down. Burger, cheese, mustard. There's like 2 pieces of cheese in the bowl still. Okay, let's mix it all together. Yeah, I really should have brought my tripod so I could get this all mixed. Hold on. Okay, it's all mixed up now. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Make sure I have pickle in my bite and hamburger. Alright, give me some pickle. Oh my gosh, come on, give me some pickle in my bite. Alright, I got pickle, cheese, hamburger. Oh my gosh, yes. Note to self, bring tripod. Anyways, got a little bit about everything. That was so good. Yes. Totally new spin on a salad. That's so good. Mmm. Definitely thumbs up. I will definitely be making this again. Good thing I made this huge batch of hamburger. So I'm gonna have me some cheeseburger salads. This is delicious. Why have I never thought of this before? Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. That is amazing. I'm going to be coming up with or trying out new recipes quite frequently. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, if you would like to see more recipes, because yeah, I'll be trying a lot more low carb recipes. So yeah, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Cheers.